Hello, you guys.
Hello, hello.
All right, here we are. We got our dōTERRA box. Actually, got it yesterday, but we were busy. So
Yeah, we didn't have a chance to do it
kind of late.
live.
Yeah. So here we are.
Yeah.
All right, Leon, you're up.
Well, as you know, I love to use the products, and so every month I'm going to order a pretty good size order. Plus, I got a few things on bonus because we've accumulated some bonus points, so we can buy
A lot.
free stuff. So I asked Lynn if I could get some. So I did get the Advantage, the Collagen Advantage as the primary stuff because I use it every day, once a day, but still, I still have a little bit left of my other one, but I don't want to run out because I think overall it's helping me with my skin, my joints, my eyes, everything, you know, and so I'm using it quite a bit. So as add-ons, I went ahead and got, again, I got the duo pack, the ProBiome, and it has both the PB Assist Plus and the PB Assist Restore, and that's been really good because I use both of these every day. Also, I put the these packets here in my shake, and then later in the day I'll have an extra of the Restore, and that just, you know, pow pow as far as probiotic.
Yes.
Because it's pre, pro, and postbiotic, which is so good for you. And right now it's so hot here in St. George that you need all the help that you can get. The other thing that I used in my add-on to that is the deep blue polyphenol because I use it every day, so I run out of that. But also I've been sharing some of that with my mom. Also, I went ahead this time, not last time, but this time I went ahead and replenished my TerraZyme. I was running low on my toothpaste. It's been quite a while because you only use a little bit. And so I like the Super Mint. I went ahead and reordered that. It's not really that expensive, but it just lasts a long time. When I go to the dentist, which I did on Monday, they said I did really good on the exam. I didn't have much bleeding. And all I get from her is extra dental floss and a toothbrush. I don't get anything else. I don't get toothpaste. I don't get the mouthwash or anything like that because I use the dōTERRA. So Super Mint toothpaste, really, really, really good. There was some other things that we got. Toothpaste on the bonus points that we got. Juniper berry. Juniper berry, was that the extra, or was that one? I needed juniper berry. Juniper berry, I use a lot of the juniper berry. It's really good for you. Linda is probably going to talk a little bit about that. Coriander, I've been using a lot of coriander. It's good for gout. I rub it on the bottom of my feet. My feet get sore, especially the balls of my feet. And coriander is really good, along with lemongrass, wintergreen, arborvitae, and a couple other things that I use in that. And I asked Linda if I could get a bonus point for a Frank.
Yes.
15 mil. So that was extra freebie.
Yes.
And then we got, I got some extra celery seed. I do put that in my shakes. I don't do it every time, but I do put it in my shakes, and I was running a little low, and I just want to make sure I have some of this on hand. What about this other stuff? Okay.
Oh, we'll get to that. Okay, some of the other things that we got with points is Spikenard. It smells really weird. It's got an odd smell, but I like it. I use it. It's helpful for sleeping. And what I like about it, it is the oil of gratitude. So when you're feeling kind of ho-hum, sorry for yourself, this helps you to be more appreciative. And you guys, it's so hard because we can only say so many things because we have to stay compliant. But
Right.
like I've mentioned a number of times, is get a book, get a really good book that helps you understand the value of these oils. Like I said, we're just kind of tongue-tied in a sense.
Right. I was just going to say that, along with the Frank, the Spikenard is also good for wounds. And so this is something that I've learned over the years using the books and stuff. It's really, really, really good to have on hand.
Okay, the other one that I got is black spruce. It's great to, for circulation. It's great for those things that are kind of discomfort, aches and junk like that. And so I got those free. And then the adaptive is the free oil of the month.
Yeah, roll on.
Oh my
touch.
gosh, I love this. I carry this all the time.
It smells so good.
It does. It's calming, it's relaxing. If you get any of those nervous tension or anxious feelings, things like that, overwhelm, this is so awesome. It's a great one. Another thing that I used for points is the Virage skincare kit. This has got all, what is it? It's got the cleanser, the toner, the Immortelle hydrating serum, and the Virage moisturizer. This is for my daughter. She loves this, and I have the older, more mature skin. Imagine that. And I use the essential skincare line that
She
dōTERRA has.
really loves it.
But my daughter loves this stuff.
She really does. She
Okay.
thinks it's a bomb.
Yeah, because it is. But it's just, my skin is so sensitive that it bothers my face. So I'm weird. Okay, so I got the Advantage as well. I use this every day. I don't think I took it today. Today was kind of a weird day, but I will. So this is your collagen, and it, like Leon was saying, it's good for skin, hair, joints, nails, all those kind of things. It helps cognitive issues as well. It's an awesome, awesome thing.
It keeps you fluid. It really does.
Yes, yes.
The mobility type thing. I've felt the difference using it.
Yeah.
And it's good for my skin. My skin feels really soft, you know?
Yeah, so soft.
So, and I'm also using it. I mean, sometimes there's certain things that I use for a specific thing, and I noticed that my eyes, I'm doing pretty good with my eyes. I haven't had to change a prescription on glasses now. I use sunglasses that are prescription because I drive the school bus, and I mostly use the prescription sunglasses during the day. At nighttime, I'll wear my glasses once it gets really dark, but right now it's still really light until very late.
Yes. So, and like I've said before, that this collagen has been so the scientific research done on these ingredients is really, really amazing. So if you can look this up as well. And again, dōTERRA can only say so much, but there is some really cool benefits using this Advantage. So that's something to look into.
Yeah.
So with that, because I do the cart and the card as well, where you can get 3 items for a discounted price. I haven't been using the ProBiome capsules, but I do use the PB Assist Plus. And we've mentioned this before. It's like a pixie stick, and I just pour it right on my tongue, and it's the probiotic again with the prebiotic, the probiotic, and the postbiotic. And there goes our clock. So anyway, so I use this pretty much every day. Sometimes I forget, but this is really, really good for your gut health. Good.
Before we move on, the MetaPWR system that's out also has the MetaPWR gel caps, the MetaPWR Assist. I also had my annual physical because you got to have that. I wanted get it before I start driving the bus. And I was really surprised. The doctor said, hey, you're doing really good on some of your counts. Your sugar levels are dropping. They're doing better. Not perfect, but doing better. And the cholesterol is doing better. And I really honestly think that it's probably because I'm using the MetaPWR system. I use the assist quite a bit, and that helps kind of stabilize the sugar levels. And I think the gel caps, the oil has been very helpful. And also the MetaPWR Advantage, the collagen, I think has been very helpful. And overall, my heart rate was really good. He just said, whatever you're doing, keep doing it, you know? And of course, I just said, well, I'm just using the dōTERRA products. And I left it at that. And I just came home and said, Linda, guess what? I had good results.
Yay! Okay, so the other thing that I got with the cart in the cart is I got a TerraZyme and the deep blue polyphenol. This is great for those achy things, helps you to sleep because you're not hurting so much. And then I added on another TerraZyme just because I use it a lot. I use this sometimes 3 times a day, sometimes even more if I'm having a bigger, heavier meal. And then the other couple of things that I got is Tri-Ease, which is great for this time of year when there's seasonal threats. That's about all I can say. So this is the lemon, lavender, and peppermint in a gel cap, and it really helps a lot.
Now, I have a lot of oils left, and so I use the lemon, lavender, and peppermint, or a combination of things on the bottom of my feet.
Yeah.
So, and I do need to reorder some, and I'll probably reorder some next month.
Yeah.
Because it's a lot easier to take the pills sometimes.
It is.
And also early in the morning, I get up early, and so I've been adding some of the vitamins, some of the nutritional things, and I drink it with my collagen. So it's not upsetting my stomach, and it's been really good.
Cool. And then the last thing that I got is the DDR Prime gel caps. This is the cellular complex. So it's great for your cells. It helps healthy cells replicate healthy cells. And that speaks volumes right there. So anyway, this is what we got, and we showed you the things that we got for free. And the reason why he asks me, not that he needs my permission to get a frankincense, but we're just seeing how many points we've got to cover what we want. So just thought I'd clarify.
But it's also good to get some free stuff.
Oh my gosh.
You know, it's just so nice because when you've been doing it for a long time and you order on a regular basis, you're going to accumulate points.
Exactly.
And it's good, to cash in.
Especially when you're getting the more expensive oils. Like Spikenard's kind of pricey for a little 5 ml, but the frankincense we know is a more expensive oil. But when you've got those points, it really comes in handy for using for those more expensive oils. So anyway, I think we covered everything. So you guys have a great evening, what's left of it, and
Go tear it up.
dōTERRA it up, and we will see you next month. Awesome. Take care. Bye.